On some hosting plans, you can add additional domains to your hosting account. In case if your hosting plan allows you to host multiple domains on the same hosting account, you can follow the steps mentioned in this video to add an additional domain to your hosting account. Once you logged into your DirectAdmin account, click on Domain Setup under the Account Manager category. Now, on the right side, you'll see 3 buttons. Click on Add New button. Here, on the first box, enter your domain name. Unless otherwise you want to limit this new domain to a predefined disk allocation or bandwidth, you can leave everything else than that of domain field as is. Now click on the Create button to add the domain to your hosting account. Now you have successfully added your second domain to your hosting account, and you can follow the same procedure to add any number of additional domains to your hosting account as per your plan's quota. I hope this video has helped you. In case if you need any further help regarding this, please don't hesitate to contact our customer support team. We're always here for you, around the clock. Thank you for choosing Cenmax as your hosting provider. Have a great day ahead.